In this video, we are going to discuss about that 2025 mains problems from integration chapter. See, the first question is f of x is equals to integration of 1 by x to the power of 1 by 4 into 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 4 into dx, and f of 0 is equals to minus 6. Then we have to find that f of 1. See how to do this model problems. So look at this. Here is that first of all you take that 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 4 is equals to t. Okay, so this one you take it. Put 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 4 is equals to t. From this one is that x to the power of 1 by 4 is equals to t minus 1. Now x is equals to what is that value? T minus 1 whole to the power of 4. Now differentiate with respect to x. Dx is equals to 4 into t minus 1 whole to the power of 3 into dt. So this is that dx value. Now substitute all the values in this one. Therefore, you can write that integration of 1 by x to the power of 1 by 4 value t minus 1 into 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 4 value is that t. Next dx value is that 4 into t minus 1 whole to the power of 3 into dt. Okay, now here you see by observing that this t minus 1 will be the cancel. So that is equals to, what is that value? This one will be equals to into 4 into integration of t minus 1 whole square whole divided by t into dt. So now differentiate integration. So before your integration, you write that 4 into integration of this one is that a t square minus 2 into t plus 1 whole divided by t into dt. So now this value will be equals to 4 into integration of t minus 2 plus 1 by t into dt, 1 by 2 into dt. So now after this one, that is equals to 4 into this value will be t square by 2. Integration of t is nothing but t square by 2. Next one minus 8 minus 2 into integration of dt is that t, and next one is that plus integration of 1 by t will be that log t. Now what is that t value? T is equals to 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 4. T is equals to 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 4. Substitute this value, that is equals to 2 into this value will be 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 4 whole square. 1 by 4 whole square. Next one minus 8 into t value will be 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 4. And next one is that a plus 4 into log of 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 4 plus c. C is that integral constant. So f of x is equals to this value. Now you see here to find that integral constant, f of 0 is equals to some value is given, that is equals to minus 6. F of 0 is equals to minus 6. So put x is equals to 0 in this one. Put x is equals to 0 in this value. Then we will be get that f of 0 is equals to this value will be 2 into 1 into 2 minus 8 plus, so 0 log 1 will be the 0 plus c. Okay, now here f of 0 is equals to what is that value? Minus 6. So minus 6 is equals to 2 minus 8 is that minus 6 plus a c. From this value here c is equals to the value is that 0. Now substitute that c is equals to 0 in that above result f of x. Therefore f of x is equals to f of x is equals to 2 into 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 4 whole square minus 8 into 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 4, okay, plus 4 into log of 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 4 plus c value how much you got it? 0. After this you have to be find out that f of 1 value. So you have to find out that f of 1 value. See, our required value will be f of 1. So how can we find that f of 1 value? Put x is equals to 1 in this value. So put x is equals to 1. If you write in this value, you will be get that f of 1 is equals to 2 into 1 plus 1 is that 2. 2 square is that 4. Next minus 8 into 1 plus 1 will be 2. That is equals to 8 into 2 plus 4 into log 2. 4 into log 2. So after that this value will be 8 minus 16. 8 minus 16 that is equals to 8 minus 16 plus 4 into log 2. So finally this value will be 4 log 2 minus 8. 4 into log 2 minus 8. So now you take that 4 is that a common. 4 into log 2 minus 2. Log 2 minus 2. So f of 1 is equals to what is that value? 4 into log 2 minus 2. I hope that everybody is clear this solution. It is very simple but a lengthy problem. If you understand this question clearly, you can get that required value. So now what is the correct option in this one? Option A is the correct option. 4 into log 2 minus 2. So that is the correct option. Now one more question we'll discuss in 2025. In 2025, see, let integration of x cube into sin x into dx is equals to g of x plus c, where c is the constant of integration. Very simple, you have to be find out that first g of x value. I will tell you one simple technique. So g of x value means so here integration of x cube into sin x. So this one how can we do? First of all, you choose that what is the first function and what is the second function. First function will be x cube, second function will be sin x. So this one is by using that which one? Isolate. You know, integration by parts. Isolate means I is that inverse trigonometric, L is the logarithmic, A is that exponential, A is that algebraic, T is the trigonometric, E is the exponential. So here, so first one is that algebraic function, second one is the trigonometric function. So here we are applying that integration by parts. The first function will be that x cube, second function is the sin x. Now, what is the simple method? So here the first function into integration of the second function. Integration of sin x will be that minus cos x. Okay, with the alternative sign minus derivative of the first function. The x cube derivative will be 3x square into again integration of minus cos x. That will be the minus sin x. Okay, and next plus 3x square derivative will be 6 into x into integration of sin x. Integration of sin x is the minus cos x. Minus into minus plus cos x. And next one is that minus derivative of 6x will be that 6. Cos x integration will be the sin x. So your answer will be that this one. Your answer will be this value. So all of you see that one integration of sin x will be the minus cos x, minus into minus plus. So here finally this value will be c. So now in the given question RHS value will be that g of x plus c. So what is that g of x value in this one? So here this part is nothing but the g of x. Therefore g of x is equals to, therefore g of x is equals to, that is that minus x cube into cos x minus into minus plus 3x square into sin x, 3x square into sin x plus 6x into cos x and minus 6 into sin x, 6 into sin x. Now this one is that g of x value. Next you see the question, if 8 into g of pi by 2 plus g dash of pi by 2 is equals to alpha into pi cube plus beta into pi square plus gamma, where alpha, beta, gamma are the integers. So now here you have to find out that g dash of x. What is that g dash of x? See, here is that g dash of x value, very simple. Now the given function directly you have to see, this one is differentiating on both sides. So now directly you can find out that g dash of x is equals to x cube into, this one is that sin x. G dash of x is equals to x cube into sin x. So here we got it that g of x and g dash of x. Now substitute that x is equals to pi by 2 in both of that. That means here what is that g of pi by 2? G of pi by 2 value will be equals to minus pi to the power of 3 by 8 into cos pi by 2 value is 0 plus 3 into pi square by 4 into sin pi by 2 value is the 1 plus 6 into pi by 2 into cos pi by 2 value is that 0 minus 6. So totally g of pi by 2 value, how much this value? 3 into pi square by 4, okay, minus 6. So this is that g of pi by 2. And next one is that g dash of pi by 2. G dash of pi by 2 value will be equals to pi power 3 whole divided by 8 into sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 value, you know how much? This is equals to 1. So this value will be pi to the power of 3 by 8. So according to the question, you want that 8 into, so first you have to find out that g of pi by 2 plus g of pi by 2 plus g dash of pi by 2, g dash of pi by 2. This value will be equals to 3 into pi square by 4 minus 6, okay, plus pi cube whole divided by 8. Now I want that 8 into g of pi by 2, 8 into g of pi by 2 plus g dash of pi by 2. Okay, so multiply with 8, then we will be get that 6 into pi square minus 8 6 are 48 plus pi to the power of 3. That is equals to, you write this one in the proper order, pi power 3 plus 6 into pi square minus 48. So now totally this one we comparing with alpha into pi to the power of 3 plus beta into pi square minus gamma, beta into pi square, okay, minus gamma or plus gamma, once you see plus gamma. So here this one is the plus gamma. Then from this comparing, therefore alpha is equals to, what is that value? Alpha is equals to 1 and beta is equals to 6 and gamma is equals to minus 48. Okay, so these are that alpha, beta, gamma. Now after this I want that alpha plus beta minus gamma. See, in this question we want that alpha plus beta minus gamma. Alpha plus beta minus gamma is equals to how much? Alpha plus beta minus gamma, that is equals to 1 plus 6 plus 48. So that is equals to, this value will be 48. So totally your value will be 55 is the correct answer. So I hope that everybody is clear. Your final answer is that 55 is the final answer. So your right option is that B is the right option. Okay, so now one more question we'll see in that integration. So that will be integration of, this is 2025 January 22nd, shift 2, integration of e to the power of x into sine inverse x by root of 1 minus x square plus sine inverse x by 1 minus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2 plus x by 1 minus x square is equals to g of x plus c. So before going to this concept, first you recall that one fundamental, integration of e to the power of x into f of x plus f dash of x, f of x into f dash of x into dx. This formula will be equals to e to the power of x into f of x, okay, plus c, e to the power of x into plus c. Now you see, according to the given question, here what is that given question? Integration of e to the power of x into x into sine inverse x whole divided by root of 1 minus x square plus sine inverse of x whole divided by 1 minus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2, x square whole to the power of 3 by 2 plus x by 1 minus x square. See, all of you observe this one. In this one you can be verify, here first term is that x into sine inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. So you assume this one as that f of x. This one is f of x. By differentiating this, we will be get that this part will be nothing but what? F dash of x. This part will be f dash of x. So after this one, so by using that above formula, this answer will be equals to what? E to the power of x into sine inverse x whole divided by root of 1 minus x square. So according to that above formula, this one plus c. So what is that g of x value? Therefore g of x is equals to e to the power of x into e to the power of x into sine inverse x whole divided by root of 1 minus x square. See, if anyone is that having the doubt, is the second term, so f dash of x, is it equal to that f dash of x or not that f dash of x? You can separately differentiate this value 100% by differentiate the first term, this one x into sine inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. This derivative will be equals to the second part. So directly you can write this value. Now here of that, what is that required value? You should be find out that g of 1 by 2. So put x is equals to 1 by 2. Now g of 1 by 2 is equals to, this value will be 1 by 2 into e to the power of 1 by 2 and root e into sine inverse 1 by 2. Sine inverse 1 by 2 is that 30 degrees and pi by 6. Sine inverse of 1 by 2 is that 30 degrees means pi by 6 whole divided by root of 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4. This value will be equals to 1 by 2 into 1 root of 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So root 3 by 4. So denominator that you can be write that 2 by root 3 into here is that root e into this value is that pi by 6. So here is that 2 and 2 will be cancelled, that is equals to pi by 6 into square root of e by 3. So your answer will be, here is that your answer is that pi by 6 into square root of e by 3, that is that g of 1 by 2. Pi by 6 into square root of e by 3. Where is the correct answer? Pi by 6 into square root of e by 3. So here two options are the coinciding. So sorry, here is that this one you can write that this is that pi by 3. This one is that pi by 3. Here is this is pi by 3. So your right answer is the pi by 6 into square root of e by 3. Second option is the correct answer. Third option is the correct answer. C is the correct option. So I hope that everyone is clear this question. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Few more questions will be discussed in 2025 mains from integration chapter we will be discussed in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching this video.